Oh, I got one. I got one. Oh, I got one. I got one. I hope my GoPro's on. Oh, cool, my GoPro's on. Light it. Might could be a keeper. I'm just finding it really soft, so the hooks don't pop out.
Yeah, you GoPro on?
Yeah. The school should be coming in right now, so.
Damn, we'll just take it the old-fashioned.
Just bring them up. It's fine, I got it. You can keep on casting. This might take a while. Yeah. Good. Decent. Honestly, it looks good. Dude, that's a good one. I got it. Yeah. On the re-range. Look at that, guys. Not a bad one. Huh. Hey, Dad, he's a tagged fish. He's a tagged fish.
What does that mean?
He got a tag on him.
What does that mean?
I mean, he's being tracked by like the fishing game. Ah. Guys, look at that. It's a tagged fish. Look at that, guys. That's pretty cool.
Oh, yeah?
36. Ooh. Got another one, Dad.
Yeah.
My GoPro on? Okay, my GoPro's on. That's a tiny one.
A tiny one?
Yeah. Never mind. Don't worry about it.
You got it?
It's a little guy.
Might just be a big one.
He's not fighting as big as the other one. He's not even pulling any drag. But
until he comes out.
he's...
He might get to the edge and start like getting all crazy.
Oh yeah, now he's getting kind of crazy.
On the jerkbait?
Yeah, this time I got a deeper jerkbait.
Oh, deeper.
Wow, my first time actually catching anything with this jerkbait. All right. Decent size. I got it, Dad. Don't worry about it. It's alright. I already got on GoPro.
Oh, that's a taker, dude?
That's a taker.
Pull that to the shore.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Yeah, just let him.
My rod is too stiff, so if I have my drag too loose, too tight, then the hooks will pull out. Ease them on over. Yeah, I got him. Wow, this is a good size one.
Shit, dude. That wasn't that small one.
he fought like a 18. He fought like a
Oh,
12 incher.
Man, all two, stuff it out. It's crazy.
It's crazy, guys.
We up here down Sacramento River. This is killing it.
Bam, bam. All right, guys, we got another fish on. Oh, and he's on. Okay, he might be on still, guys. I don't know. This feels like he's in the current. Oh yeah, not a bad one. On the Jackal re-range. Hopefully my SD card doesn't run out on me. But yeah, we got another one, guys. You guys might not see the entire fight because I'm running low on SD card memory, but I'll update you all until this runs out.
Maybe you just never tried hard enough, man.
Yeah, it takes a while, man. Casting for stripers ain't easy on the Sac River. This feels like it's a taker.
Every single one's a taker.
Oh, I think I snagged him, dude.
Still there.
Oh, I snagged him.
Oh, really?
I did snag him. Alright guys, so actually that little guy, the fish that I had just hooked up is actually like a 15, maybe 12 incher. I ended up foul hooking him on the side, so we're just gonna release him. He's not a keeper anyways. Put up a good fight. Thanks, bud. Yeah, there he goes. Alright guys, hooked up another one, 16 inches.
Thanks, you guys.
Oh yeah.
Good size too.
Good size.
Let him go.
We're gonna let him go. Alright. Put up a good fight.